Hi, everybody. My name is Lori, and I am the founder and CEO of Inclusivity. Our mission is promoting social and environmental justice and kindness. We recently had the great pleasure of videotaping several concerts around the Twin Cities, Minneapolis-St. Paul area. These were concerts by musicians who have music that inspires us, moves us, and makes us remember that we are ultimately very connected to each other. We call them songs of kindness. And we call the concert that we've created from these songs Sounds of Kindness. We decided to launch this concert today, World Kindness Day 2018, which is November 13th. And we hope that you enjoy the music as much as we do, and that you also feel inspired when you hear these beautiful songs. Please, if you are a musician around the country who would like to participate in this concert next year and would like to be a part of the Sounds of Kindness 2019, let me know. You can find me on Facebook or you can email me through our website, Inclusivity. Also, I really want to thank the musicians who participated this year. This is beautiful music, and we thank you so much for being a part of it. Now sit back and enjoy, and we hope you love the songs as much as we do. Thank you so much.
What do you guys want to do? Everybody's talking.
Everybody's talking.
Hey, you're back.
It's an original, you guys. We're a little nervous.
It's so lovely.
I think I like this mic.
Lydia wrote it, and it's absolutely one of my favorite songs. So beautiful.
All right.
I hope you guys like it. We'll take a quick break, about 10 minutes. We'll be right back at you. Thank you for being here.
You're watching the Sounds of Kindness concert series. Please support World Kindness and remember the artists who donated their time and talent to the cause. Thank you.
This is a concert for World Kindness. World Kindness. That means we're going to try to be a little kinder to each other. In our daily dealings, every day before I leave the house, I kind of say a little prayer and I say, God, if you would help me to be able to do something to help somebody today, to be a little kinder to people that I meet, and just reach out and help. And I think if everybody did that, we'd have a lot better place to live in. I wrote this song when I was young and could be in love yet. There was still hope for love when I was young. I call it Melody of Love. don't see you be around and leave me, no. Won't you see us there? I could not stand to see you go. Oh no, don't make me promises that will deceive me. I gotta love you, don't you know? In my soul, it's your sweet melody and love. Sweet melody and love. Sweet melody and love. My melody and love. Love my melody and love. I feel about you more than I had a mind to hope. Now don't you get me wrong, I did not mean to let it show, no, no. I'll walk beside you, won't put no chains upon you. I need you free to let you grow, cause in my soul it's your sweet melody and love. Sweet melody and love. Sweet melody and love. You're my melody and love. You're my melody and love. There's a song down in my soul. It's a melody and love. It's your sweet melody and love. Sweet melody and love. Sweet melody and love. My melody and love. You're my melody of love. Go up and down, don't say you'll be around and leave me, no. Won't you see us stay? I could not stand to see you go, no, no. I need your sweet loving, I need you tender touching me. It's your song, it's in my soul, it's your sweet melody and love. Sweet melody and love. Sweet melody and love. You're my melody and love. You're my melody of love. You're my melody of love. You're my melody of love.
Thank you for watching the Sounds of Kindness concert series to commemorate World Kindness Day 2018. Show that you support our efforts, World Kindness, all year round by ordering your exclusive tea from Inclusivi-TEA. Just go to the website below. These high-quality teas make great gifts. Thank you for your support, and please continue to enjoy the Sounds of Kindness concert series.
We've got our favorite band here, ladies and gentlemen. Please give it up for Davina.
Hello, everybody. Hey. So today we're actually have a special thing. We're taping the first set for something called the Kindness Project. Just to let you know. So she wanted me to do songs that were about kindness, and boy, wow, do I had to question my attitude going through my songs. So I told her, I said, well, listen, you know, I'm kind of surly. And she said, well, you know, just tell them the message of the song, because I think some of the stuff that maybe comes off surly really isn't. No, it's pretty surly. She said, well, do Black Cloud. So that's what I'm starting with. And the reason, well, it's, you know, the reason I wrote it is because I struggle at times, and the end of it is, it says, now I know what to do. And it's just definitely asking for help, which I think reaching out to people and then helping you is an act of kindness, correct? Okay, thank you. All right, this one's called Black Cloud. Oh. I'm not feeling something ain't right. I don't know what to do. I've got a black cloud hanging on my life. They told me to go talk to you, Mr. Lucky Man. Won't you deal me up a better hand? 'Cause I don't know what to do. I'll take it with me wherever I go. Thanks for the boots, thanks for the show. I'll take it with me wherever I am, whatever I run, whatever I say. Mr. Lucky Man, please feel me a better hand. 'Cause I am down like cloud, hang on my life. No! Mr. Lucky Man, thank you for dealing me better hand. I am down like cloud, hanging on my life, but now I know what to do.
Thank you for watching the Sounds of Kindness concert series to commemorate World Kindness Day 2018. Please support World Kindness and remember the artists who donated their time and talent to the cause. Thank you.
Frank Chef Larson, how y'all feeling? Feeling pretty good? All right. So I'm proud to be a part of the Kindness Concert experience. They're filming here tonight, and how it works is they're collecting music from Minnesota musicians, and they're going to launch that on their site the second week of November. This is a new song of mine. This is off of my latest album. It's called Need to Get There.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay. This next song, I'd like to dedicate this to the kindness and awareness. This is a song that I started off with, and it's just a beautiful song that I like to dedicate to Lori. I like to dedicate to this situation. I like to dedicate to myself as well, and it's just a beautiful thing, and I appreciate it. So you go ahead and turn it on. Sometimes you just gotta learn from your mistakes. Like that one. Look, okay, here we go. Yeah. It's a celebration cause we unifying worlds. I'm feeling like it's all a part of keeping things thorough. As I continue on my journey, no hard feelings for the ones who burned me. It was often just one comment anyways. I'm a troubling adult with a lot of ignorance that I've displayed. I was taught by the gangways and the trap house, the Mossberg pump that'll blow your back out. Certain things who I call uncle aunties, sneaking on my enemies like a movie scene. Nightmares from the same streets, but we all gotta accept what's far in between. Yeah, let's go. I know what you mean. I gotta get mine, so pardon me. I'ma still do my thing. I'm about to be up. Yeah, hey, I'ma still do my thing. I'm about to be up. Yeah, hey, I'ma still do my thing. Okay. Let the music take you to another place. Ain't no sense of being sorry, sitting dwelling on mistakes. It's some things that we can't change, but we learn from as we move forward, trying to get away. But I get it now. I'm just a chosen child, living in the now, trying to shoot from downtown, no rebound. I can sketch my life with resistance, but in turn I have no existence. So I gotta make the picture more clear. Gotta find a balance, but it's so much racket in my ear that I can't even hear. And when I turn, it be right there, but I'ma show them up, give them what it is, the outcome's rare. Let's go. Hey, look, I don't know what you mean. I gotta get mine, so pardon me. I'ma still do my thing, and I'm about to be up. Look, I told her, I'ma still do my thing, I'm about to be up. Yeah, okay, hey, I'ma still do my thing. Look, if you ain't talking game, I don't know what you mean. I gotta get mine, so pardon me. I'ma still do my thing, I'm about to be up. Yeah, I'ma still do my thing, I'm about to be up. I'ma still do my thing. Yeah, like that. Thank you so much. I really appreciate all the claps and all of love it. Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching the Sounds of Kindness concert series to commemorate World Kindness Day 2018. To show that you support our efforts, World Kindness, all year round, please order your exclusive tea from Inclusivi-TEA by going to the website below. They make great gifts also. Thank you for your support, and please continue to enjoy the Sounds of Kindness concert series.
This song's called Live On.
Wanted to know, I still do. Finally discover this side or the other, and it's only the fact that we're wrong. Could have been anything that you want. If it seems in impossible shapes, just remember these days. Move along, live on. We were young and free, no responsibility. Sometimes I don't know where to hide from the shore, and it's only the road that you take. Sun going down over the lake, sadness and joy we create and destroy. New song, live on. Realize the days just free without a trace, and slip behind your faces. You hold on to time. So I stand right or wrong, right where I belong. Just could never be. It's only what you make, and it's only the pain that you choose. It all means the same, win or lose. You're only defeated if you have conceded a bond. Too strong, so live on. Live on. Live on. Live on.
Thank you for watching the Sounds of Kindness concert series to commemorate World Kindness Day 2018. Please support World Kindness and remember the artists who donated their time and talent to the cause. Thank you.